Hey, I'm Josh, and if you're watching this video, you might be looking for an architect or an interior designer to help you with your project. I have run an architecture firm with an award-winning career here on Upwork. We specialize in creating high-end designs for both commercial and residential projects. Whether you're a homeowner planning to remodel or build your dream home, or a professional looking to offload some workload, we're here to tailor our designs to your needs. Our services range from simple floor plan consultations or 3D photorealistic renderings to full interior design remodeling projects, and even designing new builds from scratch. I typically join homeowners and professionals at an early startup stage, but I've also worked with companies and homeowners struggling with ongoing projects. I position our company as a right-hand limb on the design front. So whether you're looking for a full experience or an intensive focus on design review for your ongoing project, we're the right company you've been looking for. With a team of over 10 highly skilled designers, we made it our job to provide top-notch customer service just as we do with our designs. This has made us the #1 firm across the states for small to medium businesses and for homeowners looking for help with their homes. We are the top-ranked firm on Upwork for architectural and interior design services, thanks to our expertise and because of our high-end customer service. So feel free to shoot us a message, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.